You guessed it, I ran into a curb. Yes, I have tire rash. It all happened just about a month back when I was parking my vehicle. I ran into a curb and look at how bad it left my vehicle. The way that the Model 3 is designed is the rim sticks out further than the hubcap. So let's see how this shop can get this job done. The name is Armani's.
Interesting. Actually, I never jacked it up yet.
We don't do many Teslas.
It's pretty heavy though, right?
A little bit.
It's like 4 Gs.
It also doesn't
Oh yeah, but
help
it's
that I don't have the second.
yeah, you don't have the So as we see, we got some issues here.
Before you do any work on your vehicle or have your car put on a lift, you want to make sure that you have these pads. This is a 4-pack that I have for Tesla models. It's a car jack lift pad adapter tool, and it's easy to remove as well. I have the links below if you want to check out some of the options that you could go with. You may want to just get 2 of them. I actually went with the 4-pack. If you're interested in picking one up, please check out the link below. It's the affiliate link. I just want to note that as I was filming, I did notice that the work that was done involved grinding the affected areas. And then there was an application of 2 different types of sandpaper, which is the 300 grit and the 180. Those will be linked below as well. So he's just prepping it, getting it ready for it to be painted. After this, I went outside and waited for the finished product. If you like content like this, feel free to subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them below.
Good. So what we did was we just sanded out all that damage. Well, we didn't sand it out, it was pretty deep. We used a grinder on it. We grinded out all the damage, then we sanded it down to 180 grit. And then that creates the adhesive surface that we can paint over. And then once that dried, we cleared over that.
Looks pretty good.
To get free 1,000 miles of supercharging, click the link below to order your Tesla, and we both will get 1,000 miles. Hope you enjoyed.